Hey, Steve DeHunt here in Washington Township with an all Fendt product Holland Series walnut with slate accent border and Stonegate wall, massive patio, massive outdoor living area. Come take a look. Here's the fire pit area for the kids, everybody just to gather around, take a seat, relax. You can sit on the wall, sit on the chairs. This is the area where everyone's gonna gather for the night. So this is Holland Series walnut with a slate accent border by Fendt. This entire project is Fendt products made in Michigan, owned and privately held in Michigan, the only one left. It is Fendt's most popular product. And here it's shown in 1,500 square feet, all the different color variations. If you want to see what it matches, it essentially matches anything. So when you look at this pattern, the Holland Series, there's 8x8s, 4x8s, and 12x12s. And if you look, the nice mixture and the breakup of the pattern of the 4x8s off to the Stonegate, absolutely beautiful, goes great with the house. Here's our beautiful walkway from our patio, leading all the way up with step risers all the way to the driveway, all in Stonegate. It's all walnut with a slate smooth border, walnut Holland Series slate border all the way up. This is something to consider when you're having a brick paver patio built. Drainage. Where is the water going to go? Most people don't really know that, or they don't take into account of the property of where the water's pitching to. The whole property is pitching towards me. So what we do is we have our drain tiles in the floor. We also have our drain tiles here, and we have our drain tiles for our downspouts that kick out to our drain tile and kick out into the pond. Therefore, this area doesn't flood, it doesn't hold water, and when it freezes, it doesn't move all over the place. Water will always win. When you're building, it is extremely important to get the water out of here, and that's what we've done here. So here is where our low point is on the property. That we've taken these drains, channeled them out, hard pipe with perforation all the way through. This pipe flows into the pond. So all this water coming from the property is caught here, and then the water from the roof all comes to this center point, and we take the water and kick it out into the pond. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you're looking for a brand new brick paver patio, walkway, or steps, and you want it done right with the proper drainage, go to weretheguys.com or give us a call toll-free at 1-800-BRICK-PAVERS.